The following question reads that a gas is produced when calcium carbonate is heated. What type of change is this? So the first thing is, you have calcium carbonate, and remember, carbonates, when they decompose, when they are heated, they decompose, they break down, and they always produce an oxide, which is going to be calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So all carbonates, when they decompose, they're going to do the same. Carbonate produces a metal oxide and a carbon dioxide gas molecule. Now the change is, what type of change is this? Now, it's not an exothermic reaction because energy is required. It's an endothermic reaction. So exothermic is incorrect. It's not a physical change because it's a chemical change. Compounds are changing into different compounds. So it's a chemical change. The first option looks perfectly correct, and it is not separation. It is chemical separation. I mean, it's not a physical separation. You can't call it a separation because bonds are being broken and new bonds are being formed. So it's not, you can't call this separation, it's a decomposition reaction. Separation is used for a physical process. For example, if you separate sand and water, that is separation. So without any chemical reaction, so it's purely a chemical reaction where bonds are being broken and new bonds are being formed. So option A is going to be the correct option for this MCQ.